Welcome back to my channel Academy Experts, and today we will learn how to make pipe cleaner flowers. I'm taking pastel colors. You can take dark as well as per your choice. So what I need is a ballpoint and a pipe cleaner. I started giving a twist of 4 to 5 loops around a ballpoint. Twist both ends of a pipe cleaner. One is the smallest end and other is the bigger. Start rotating a pen 2 times so it may get locked properly. Now take out the looped pipe cleaner out of the pen. Pass out the biggest end from the loops of the pipe cleaner. Now open up all the loops individually. Now start pinching each loop one by one. Start twisting each loop upwards facing your front to show its ventral view. Now you can see the bigger end and you can push that end opposite to the petals direction on a dorsal side. Give a depth from a center. Now stick a bead in a center. Take 2 mm floral wire and cut it with cutter plier. Start repeating the same technique again. In this way, you can create beautiful colorful flowers as per your choice. I'll try dark colors next time. Please don't leave the video before watching its final presentation. I use B7000 glue. You can use any transparent sticky glue as per your choice. In this way, I've created a bunch of flowers and I'll show you in the end of this video. Here I am attaching each flower with the stem. Now I'm taking green pipe cleaner, giving it random twist to make a leaf. I have created 2 bunches of flower in this video, so don't forget to watch the full video. the second bunch, I'll share the description of my short, so where you can go that description and you can find out that video where I've created that flower bunch. I had a lot of fun by creating these colorful flowers. What's your experience about that? Please comment below. I'm covering both bunches with a floral tape. It would look more good if you put only one bunch inside a vase. We are now reaching to the end of this video. Thank you for showing your support and patience to watch the whole video. I hope you will like this creation. Please subscribe for more videos. Try this craft and let me know how it turns out. See you in the next tutorial. Until then, Allah Hafiz.